Soaping Up Sunday. Taking the wife's car through the wash for her. Gonna get it all cleaned up. I'm waiting for one of these days that antenna over there gets yanked off there by these little woolly woos. It's also a good way to test your car if it's got any leaks or anything. All the colorful lights. That'd be horrible if something broke down and you got stuck in here. Now the wind tunnel. I guess because it's a Jeep thing, nobody else will understand. Nobody cares about Jeep things. It's a Jeep. And just like that, we're done. Time to go get some breakfast. Hope everybody has a great day.